TV3 kwa na Captain Smart started that day with you. Waba Angel or Fox na buy Fox what happened? We were all around cheering him on. Fire for you we were clapping for him to the extent that radio station manager to make us say yes, captain, fire captain. Oh, Sammy, come say back you too gentle on fire to say captain. Yankasa, we have lost our way. Because we have reduced Ghana Nyansa. We have made truth commercial. It just no crack. It one over and some already from Ubetium, one already no crack.
Nipa ne would say nine. Into radio TV Moko transfer. Munya anything positive to discuss. Jansa ube samba kutu paso mkodi sense muwe. Nipa mpasabe eyegramwa. Nipa we dwieni abone toza. Na hu kwasa. Na mesi usue nyansa. Unya muso nyansa bebe. Oda ni gifu.
Captain Smart why you any so? Since also be a body. Ewiase. Yes, a body shamra due. Any a body so etumra due. Na when you body e shamra tumra. Aye, Captain Smart. What you any so?
Hello. Keep watching Xposed GH. The best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Baba Xposed GH watch from them bros. One subscribe my me the minute na won saka. Oboase killings na course na no one eguso aye kan obia with diverse issues. Na no na odi ahenkan what to bia ma Captain Smart brutal. And someone why and me kra me ma hye me. Yen kwati odi ahenkan bra.
No say me odi ahenkan kwa me boa. Say me with all due respect. Me ni sa daji na ye de ye sa nse no. Kutupa. So we show be kutupa. So we show be kutupa so ko din samone. And samone ni die na eye wo e na firi. And so yan da wo for no yan ka firi. Yan na fi say yan radio so te yan TV so te. India no bi ka chese yan ka your final. Wo be na nie dintro. O ado ni adwuma bi ai. When you adwuma bi konkwansa office to office, telephone to telephone. Woman na bodyguard who take real uncle really good player. They don't have anything to protect. Into money drigo and farm home. Nancy Abrabani say was it dan shepe na ugum. Why na cars are anasasam chiremo? Why na cars anasasam chiremo? We live in a nation that some of the media guys think they are above the law. What is that, Captain Smart? You need the award. What me invade will be privacy. Obi awari omisem na obetu radio so na no so ye nwa kwado Dixie Hense mo kika fa no and our ka obedu atam who is he when the Captain Smart o Nyankopon wonu ni nipa odi kan why radio adwuma e wo Ghana ha wonu ni the first morning show host ana masa give us a break timi catch am mabru sa mon tonko obuase go face Jesus Christ of Nazareth radio si Ghana ha enipa na ewu ti se 77 previous enwan enipa na ewu ti se enwan into radio TV no mo transfer a munya anything positive to discuss dansa wo be shamba buru kutu paso mo kodi sense huwe enipa nkwasa be eyegina mo a enipa wo ye due ni abone to sa na hu kwasam ena me se wo hie nyans wo ye mo se nu nyansa bebe ba wo da ni gimfo ya so some crofo so Ghana ha yan commerce anomanu aya enfo asem go so this nation does not belong to any single radio presenter or TV presenter. No single radio presenter or TV presenter owns Ghana. No one. Mo amu ni dwuma bi di na mo jeje center ka wo jemu. Me odi anka ko me I don't have time for that. But say you bet na what can no atum. Na nipa bia no mu asem. Ebe ma nipa nso awu a na ye nyina ti radio so ne yake no tuma ye hypocrite ye nya atwom. Captain Smart in say hu a wadi asem abunu kutupa no makwa wi say ye tena Ghana ha kan no tuma ye nya atwomfo. No one will fear Captain Smart. One no be ancho and what jai one mun no bia no wo bia mu Ghana ha. People go for fun penny for some like it come once and can party boom. Just so Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Are we building a nation or we are building people who can just shout on top of their voices and encourage the youth when encouragement, inciting the youth? And this is a baby as what it does a radio presenter be I could tell radio so TV so I catch him up and say Monko go face or Bossy. It's your man when running. Se bi mpo na empanfo no ho munya adan ne yemfa bra kwa so me nipa nkwa akọ sa arise Ghana youth for your country me sabe empanfo mo so man to no kwasida kwa so say sabe o man fan anshama bru kutupa awon kwasida kwa so say sabe mo man fa ya so man na ya mu bi sami me da bia me kawra bi sami tna na me jimia emra
ayo pa che se sabe obenya TV so akwanya na che se wo nya asase ya e privilege na sabe ye nyina ye nya enye sabe adwen a ewo yetirim no esochon bia obi wa adwen sen o ba sabe wanya ekwan no nti wunya be a positive influencer on somebody me pa che se ma wo kasa no emma obi nya nipa enye sabe obehye obi kutupa na nkrofo ni so ayeku omo no enra ye pe omo krabia because no bebre Muslims anu so yanko hembra e mo body yanko bra
oh masa okay.
Ai ene eda ho no nipa na omgugu osa in their prime of their lives sabe ankoma baby bia mama da Ghana eno na make a choose wo a wo hwe me emma sabe politician na say journalist Jimmy Fuo bi enka nchiro bibi na nkoye oye sape a ubewuti se ne abo isi awu yade because sabe obi ba obi papa obi kunu ne yakunu no enya me de say yankunu but sometimes no actions and inactions bibia obeye ne no ochera betu anwoka enu ti na nye chobo bia na ese wudi akire bipo de chobo e wote enko because chobo ni e ka no pani na kasa no wonu ti fie wonum ti na wu na wudi anim endi anim sa ni awie bibia no vem lady watu tu bia ma Captain Smart unim so de na yedma o Adom da wo se I mean ya na so wan kasa yi enu so enko mra
ya bo bi to ma ne nan na chia akosi na chi ne nan na 360 degrees turn ba ko de ya bo ni shoulder ya bo na chi na be pie ne ha na tu e pot se be the bower baby bullet be pie na epu of the ho on so ba e TV3 nko na Captain Smart start is ade we yo wa ba Adom wa ba Angel of Fox na buy Fox what happened we were all around cheering him on fire for you we were clapping for him to the extent that the radio station manager to make us say yes captain fire captain oh Sammy come say back you are too gentle on fire to say captain afono yankasa we have lost our way adumana gu ya gunu ya gunu and that's why I'm apologizing to National Media Commission George Saponini Nianum. We were part of the law to regulate the industry and I say there be Media Commission for is an affront to free expression. But free expression so yeah unlimited. Free speech is just a free speech has guidelines, regulations, has limits. You can't be limited free speech where media but to again. That's one of the First Amendment free speech by and yet free bond to sao. Blanket check. It is heavily regulated. Ghana falling in number 2 categories, the citizens of Ghana. Because we have reduced Ghana nyansasem. We have made truth commercial. It just say no credit asa. It won over beka asem already pro. Ube tientium ona already no credit. What over twisted facts? One now when you okay. And we the people now you're consuming media no, we clap for people like that. We have enabled it. If you're not matching no, media houses in even to the time of oh yeah say fire to mercy. There is no regard for no credit. And the people of Ghana, what to me your program no be about says oh 10 views to pay, oh 100 views to pay. Now determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, they call OK FMO, get the views. And I just have to use that word for emphasis. And what's someone I am tro Ghana Takra or Jim. Education, educate beba no better. You want 1,000, 100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media, the every society, media and mirror the society in which it's Kata, Kalma, so said no Kata. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na here. For any media house, Facebook, Obi Obaka as same be 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You are better 7 oh 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. It's a new captain you be blaming as a society. Yeah, reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one and the people of Ghana. What to me your program no be about says oh 10 views to pay, oh 100 views to pay. Now determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, they call OK FMO, get the views. And I just have to use that word for emphasis. And someone I am tro Ghana Takra or Jim. Education, educate beba no better. You want 1,000, 100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media, the every society, media and mirror the society in which it's Kata, Kalma, so said no Kata. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na here. For any media house, Facebook, Obi Obaka as same be 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You are better 7 oh 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. It's a new captain you be blaming as a society. Yeah, reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations. Which is said, which is got only a human, GBC or Yabai. And some of the more private one, despite media, private people. And maybe politicians are owning media house into their politician and our. We know media houses that are owned by politicians. Politicians, even presenter cannot express a different opinion from owner. It is all only MPP near. I was all radio station in also. I can't me MPP for. So all only NDC near. I was so BOT radio station also can't say NDC. But to say that you will chase people out of town, yeah. And this is where we have come to. And comfortably, we the elections and comfortably to Omoko Airport. And yeah, 40 we have gold. I came here to sit here to say the Lord does not lie in your hands. Because we have to say lawlessness.
Yeah, Vim Lady Akasa, Wakasa ye. I say Captain Smart. And somebody who Jimmy Dodo can yet make catch up by who Jimmy Dodo. Captain Smart, why do you so? Say so also be a body. And we are saying, yes, a body shamra due. Any a body so a tumra due. The way your body a shamra tumra. Aye, Captain Smart, what do you so? Who can and Ramiko who near maybe videos and no personal issues, so I don't even want to talk about it. Said ya will bomb my pan for you move bomb a pan for canon. I would the one was sink of course I will come myself to send you with your own boneda. What you the first wife near one yam no now one garden so call why a fear and Russell Becassa. Now me yam crash shame. Share if you say, what's a glass, glass house and to 2 abo. Because a boy knows what 2 years but took a sea pan a bow. We should hear Bonia wedding the doors and no answer maybe say what for the no land was a sick I went di. I don't know what can you make her. When you now shall come word now better not TV so a young who say you are holy. What you say? I didn't know you the same for the back. Me will videos the Brahma year. Captain Smart, we are measure one here who channel way as well, Johnny. I exposed the FM Bruce. O subscribe ya subscribe ya de tumpa na ansa ka bi ma no asi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.